I'm going to make ampalaya. So my ingredients are ampalaya fruits. I'm going to make ampalaya. So my ingredients are sibuyas, bawang, and ampalaya plus eggs. So that's it for now. Let's cook. Let's go. The procedure are, let's preheat the olive oil, and then after preheat, let's put some onion and garlic. So let's fry. Let's fry until golden brown. So pag lanta na silang lahat, lanta na ang aking bawang at sibuyas, i-add ko ng aking ampalaya. So add ampalaya. Let's wait until malanta ulit silang lahat. At a-add naman tayo ng eggs. Ganyan lang siya mga guys, very simple. For a single person like me, it's enough this one. Here's for my pancit. This is my rice. Ano kami luluto mga guys? Good for 2 days na siya. So let's wait until malanta na siya mga guys. Let's saute all of this. Then let's wait. Lagyan ko siya ng cover. So malapit na siyang malaya. I-add ko ng aking eggs. So every na i-add ko ng aking eggs dahil laya na ang aking ampalaya. Salit natin ng konti. Tapos lutuin natin siya in low fire. Very, very slow fire mga guys. It's ready na siyang kainin. Salt to taste ko na rin siya mga guys. Salt and pepper to taste mga guys. Ganyan lang siya kasimple. Ito lang kasimple ang buhay. Let's make everything simple. So let's wait 5 to 8 minutes. And then ready na siya.